Welcome to another episode of Depression. I mean Maths. So, in today's class, students, we shall be studying differential equations. Now, you must be wondering why to study differential equations. First, exam coming fast. You tension. Exam tension. You tension. We all have tension. Okay? But if you study differential equation, you happy that you studied differential equation and you get 2 marks. Actually 4 marks also there, but I leave you in choice. Okay. So, for 2 marks, if you finish differential equation, I give you this. Actually, sir gives this, but we all can share. I give you 1/4, another person 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and we all share. Okay. So that is why we shall start today with sir's notes. See, first what he said. Sir said, self-test is the best test. So he said, Dave, daily, exam, victory. Tick. Okay. So, what is differential equation? You don't need to know that. Let us start with some. Okay. Let me move that chapter over here also. 178 to 192 in fast track. 178 to 192. So, in differential equation, we are not going to be doing SAQs. I am showing VSAQs. If you want, you can do SAQs. I personally am leaving them in choice because too much hassle, and I not do hassle. Haha. Okay. So once again, let me. So head of department, right? Head of department, highest order derivative. So what is order? The highest order derivative. So what is highest order? Highest order nothing but the highest degree over here of the differentiation. So what is this? This over here is the order. So for example, if it was d to the power 3, that would be 3 would be order. Okay. So highest differentiating जो है ना, that power is suppose 2, that is the order, and bracket के ऊपर whatever power is there, that is degree. Okay. So we know different order is 2, degree is 3. This is badi topi, this small topi, badi topi. Okay, we don't need to care about these things. If whatever is larger, for example, if it was 2 to the power 5 here, then we would have taken this into consideration. But this is the largest differential equation here, d to the power 2 and x to the power 2. Usually these two will be always same. Anyway, so here larger is this, so you leave all of this negligible, leave. What is the order here? Order d to the power 2, order is 2. Degree, what is whole power? 3. So degree हो गया 3. Body topic. Now that is head of department, highest order derivative. Head of department, he said, my grandfather is head of department of neurology, and let us imagine my grandfather is Leo. So largest exponent of higher order derivative. Actually you don't need to remember that, but largest exponent is of highest order derivative, like that. If you want, you can remember, or you can say d to the power jo bhi hai, that is derivative, and over that whatever degree is there, that is degree. Okay, now let us go to how do we write these like denotions. Like these are common things that you should be knowing. Y is equals to y dash is equals to dy by dx. Okay, y2 is equals to y double dash d square y by dx square. This is how you write differentiation. It keeps on increasing. If it was y3, you wrote d cube y by dx cube, like that. So it will keep on going on. But d square y by dx square not equal to dy by dx whole square. Okay, yes. So now we shall move on to the next page. I must start with okay, coming back to this, find order and degree of differential equation, that is question. So let me find the question in your reader. Where is question beta, question. So question, as you can see, is here. Find order and degree of the following differential equations. So you'll give like this. Okay, now you have to go and try and find here see what is given. Dy by dx is equals to this whole thing. You see, what is this? What is this? Nothing to do with this. What we need to find out? We need to find dy by dx. So you leave, you throw in dash bin. Okay, so dy by dx. What is power of d here? What is power of d? What is power of x? 1. So chupchap we should write order. What is the degree? What is buddy top here? No degree. 1. Order 1, degree 1. Okay, did you understand? This is negligible. Leave. Throw. Okay. Now, one more important rule that we need to know. So they dy by dx, d square y by dx square, and so on. Suppose d cube y by dx whole cube, d to the power 4y by dx whole to the power goes on. Should not ever have fractional power. This should not have fractional power. But do we have fractional power here? No. This thing has fractional powers. Why do we care about that? No, leave that. But they are accepted on variables. This you have variable, okay, not to have on this. Okay, fractional power, no headache, no fraction. I don't know what he said by that, but okay. Okay, so let us move on to the second sum. As you can see here on page number 190, d square y dx whole square is equals to 1 plus dy by dx whole to the power 5 by 3. So d square y by dx square is equals to 1 plus dy by dx whole square to the power 5 by 3. Now what do we have to do? We have to do cubing on both sides. So how are we going to do cubing on both sides? Why are we first doing cubing on both sides? What's the problem that has been caused, that due to which we are doing cubing on both sides? Here, did you see dy by dx here? No. Over here, dy by dx is there. And according to this rule, we say variable, you put fraction. How much fraction you want? Here, see, variable x, y, 1 plus x. How many fractions you put power? No problem. But problem arises when you put dy by dx here fraction. See, here also you say should not have fractional powers. Anything so on should not have fractional power. It has fractional power. So how do we get rid of fractional power? We do cubing on both sides. So we do take whole power 3. So here we take whole power 3. Here we take whole power 3 for entire equation. Here only this is there, so whole power 3, and here entire equation whole power 3. Whole power 3 cancel. This already in bracket over this 5 by 3. Over that whole thing take 3. 3 cancel. Bach gaya 5. After bach gaya 5, what do? We take this whole thing as d square y by dx square whole cube, bracket 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 5. But do we need to care for this anymore? Why do we not need to care for this? Here also differentiation, here also differentiation. You must be wondering, Arey, how do we choose degree and order from this now? Take the higher one. What is higher? Here order is 2. Why order is 2? Because d to the power 2 and x to the power 2. So this is larger one. Don't get confused, because this is 5. People will go here. They say, this big, okay, I take for this order degree. No, Santa. You take this. Here what it is, differentiation is larger, so order will be 2, degree will be 3. Okay, understanding? I have no way of knowing, but okay, let us assume you understand. We move forward. If you not understand, please call me on my personal number 984440. I don't remember remaining number. Okay, now let us move on. We move on to sum number 3. 1 plus d square y dx square whole square is equals to 2 plus dy by dx whole square 3 to the power 2. Yes. Now 3 to the power 2 is there. Wait, are we doing that sum? I don't know which sum are we doing. Yeah, that's something. Actually, he did 3 to the power 2. He wrote 3 to the power 2. Actual question 1 to the power 2. Or what? No. 3 to the power 2. 1 second. Let me just confirm something. Right. Okay. There seems to be some problem in this question, because it is 2 into 3 to the power 2. But I think what he did over here, see, the question is 2 into 3 to the power 2. He wrote it as 3 inside and 1 to the power 2 outside. So maybe you can do something like that. But let us imagine, like, for now, this is the question. We'll further ask sir about this. So this is the thing about revision. You'll get to get questions which you didn't know exist. Okay. So now let us do squaring on both sides. Okay. So what are we doing here? Squaring on both sides. 1 plus this whole thing whole square, and here also 1 by 2. Okay. So 1 plus dy d square by y dx whole square. Okay, and dx square. Okay. So now what are we going to do is take this. We are doing squaring on both sides. Why are we doing squaring on both sides? Why we do squaring on both sides? Okay. Now what I'm saying, no, you don't follow reader. Leave reader. What he did, 3 by 2 question now. He took 3 inside. 1 by 2 outside. Okay. Good. Smart move. He want to make things easy for him. Okay. You do. No problem. All power to you. Now he did squaring on both sides. Once he has this, because why are we caring about this? Because here also dy by dx, here also dy by dx. So we don't want fractional power on dy by dx. So what he is doing now is he took this 3 inside and 1 by 2 outside. Now we need to cancel this fractional power. So we doing squaring on both sides, like we did cubing on both sides in the previous one. So now this whole thing square, this cancel. Now we don't need to care about this. Once this thing we get, we don't need to care, because from the start only this only larger, d square, and here x square. This is from the start larger, but because we are doing squaring on both sides, this whole thing will be affected. You cannot directly write this larger, okay, because this fractional power is there. We have to remove that. After that some change might come in this, like in this sum it's coming. So 1 plus this whole thing. So what do we do? 1 whole square plus d whole square. So dy by dx, d square y by dx square whole to the power 4. It was actually to the power 2 earlier. Because we are doing squaring on both sides, it became 4 plus 2ab, 2 into d square y by dx square plus into 1. Okay. Now all this negligible, only we need to care about this, only this also negligible. Is this larger than this? No, we not need to care then. You leave off, you leave off. Okay, this is largest. Okay, this you leave off. So what is the order over here? Order over here is 2. Degree over here is 4. Done. Let us confirm also. I will confirm the answer to you. Order 2, degree 4. Let us see. Order 2, degree 4. Okay? Right? Moving on to sixth one. Sixth one, here is the question, as you can not see. Yes, you can see now. D square y by dx square is equals to minus p square y. Okay. Darasal, you not have to do any work. Direct answer you write. Why you need to solve anything here? Direct this given, no. Negligible. This dy by dx, no. You leave. No sambandh only in life. D square y by dx square. Order what is here? 2. Degree whole power 1. Let us move forward to fourth question. Arey, kaun sa order? What order this amma? Okay. Here is the sum. D square y by dx square plus 2 into dy by dx plus y log dy by dx. Okay, right. Order. What is the order over here? Arey, direct you want to do. Arey, here dy is there. Darasal, again no need, leave off. Here also dy, here also dy. But fractional power there, no need to do. You leave off. Leave this. Largest this. So d square y dx square. What is the order? Order is 2. Degree is not defined. Why is degree not defined? Because log is there. Because RHS cannot be expressed as polynomial equation since log is given. Take in that sentence. Write it down. If you want, you write it down somewhere. I wait. Pause the video and write it down. लिख लिया, आगे बढ़ेंगे. सेट. So let me read it out again. Order is 2. Degree not defined because RHS cannot be expressed as a polynomial equation since log is given. Log, if it is there, you are not able to break down the sum. You are not basically able to get it into a degree. Okay, now we move on to next sum. Hey, what you amma? Nice. Now you follow. Yes. That's all. We come to question number 7. What is question number 7? Zoop. This is question number 7. D cube y by dx cube whole square minus 3 into dy by dx whole square minus e to the power x is equals to 4. Chalo, ठीक है? Given. Same ditto written. Here also. What is larger power? Larger power 3. Larger power 3. Order also 3. Right? Degree of this order 2. Here you must see e power x. Does e power x also have something like log? No. E power x come, you say ja and ignore everything. Only focus on this. Okay? Only focus on this. Order 3, degree 2. Okay? So as you practice this yourself, you will get more clarity. Right now you might be understanding, but after 3-4 days you forget. That is what sir say, and I also know I forget. So this video I watch for myself and for you to understand. Okay, anyway, moving on. 8 somewhere. Yeah. Now, so x to the power 1 by 2. d square y by dx square whole power 1 by 3 plus x dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Okay. Yes. So now we have that. Let us see. X to the power 1 by 2 d square y by dx plus x dy. What is the problem here? Fractional आ गया अपना, आ गया खराब कर आ गया फिर से. Okay, so how to remove अम्मा? Very important अम्मा. Okay अम्मा, okay नाना, okay, okay तला, okay तली. Okay, so what do we need to do here is cubing on both sides. Why we need to remove this? So to remove cubing on both sides, again we multiply power 3. So here it became from 1 by 2, it became 3 by 2. Here 3 by 3 it became 1, so we not write 1. Here whole thing became 3. But ghanta also we have to do anything with this because this negligible. Huh? This negligible. Why negligible? You are saying, arey dy by no need. D square x square d to the power 1 x to the power 1 chotu leave whole cube, and this not fraction, so no problem with this. No, this not fraction here, this also not fraction, so chup chap leave this also and take this. What is order? 2. What is degree? 1. Now moving on to the 9th problem. D square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole cube to the power 6 by 5 is equals to 6 y. ओ भाई 6 by 5 आ गया. अरे भाई ये इसके लिए क्या अपने को do we have to do what do you call to the power 5 on both sides to remove this 5? No, we not have to do that. If you do that, no, after you do that you get whole power 6 and then you do binomial theorem and इतना झंझट लेने का नहीं है. Why you want to do like this? You get same answer but no need. So what do we do instead of that? We do raised to the power 5 by 6 instead of 6 by 5, raised to the power 5 by 6 on both sides. So here d square y by dx square d same ditto same, but I raised to the power 5 by 6 matlab I multiply by 5 by 6 power on both sides. So 5 cancel, 6 cancel, it became 1. Simple. Here 5 by 6. This thing ghanta we have to do anything with this. Here dy by dx also not there. Why to take into consideration? You look only not. See, sir also say don't think it negligible. What larger here? This chintu, leave chintu. Here square order 2, degree 1. Don't see this larger degree acha I have to take for this. No, first you see d power, then you understand what order, then for that order take degree, not to take any other degree over here. Don't write 5 to 6, don't write 2d power 3, only for this. What is the degree here? 1. Now we move on to the next type of sum. Okay, so this is very important. मैं एक दिल की बात कहना चाहता हूँ, एक पर्सनल बात करना चाहता हूँ. Today morning I woke up at night. Okay, number of times differentiating is equals to number of arbitrary constants. To eliminate the arbitrary constants, what do we have to do? We have to eliminate the arbitrary constants. How do we eliminate arbitrary constant? तो ये number of differentiation is equals to number of arbitrary constants. So let us see question number 2. इतना क्या है question number 2 में? What is there in question number 2? Find the order of differential equation corresponding to y is equals to c into x minus c whole square, where c is an arbitrary constant. Same question here now. Why to see reader then? Okay. So here only one arbitrary constant is there. C is that one arbitrary constant. So order is equals to 1. Order is equals to 1. Why? Only one arbitrary constant. Oh भाई पेपर कट हुआ बे. Okay. Right. What is the question that is asking? Order is what is the order? So when this is given, you don't. This is the answer. This you have to get. Don't I say early? You not say mistake to sir. Sir mistake no. Sir. You not find mistake in sir. Okay. You rewind and cut that part out of video. Okay. So now dy by dx we do differentiation of this. Why we do differentiation only one time? Because arbitrary constant c, only one here, only one c. What is there? Only one c. Don't think this is x minus c, that also one constant. No, here arbitrary constant here is this. For this whole thing arbitrary constant is this one. So do differentiation one time. Differentiation of y is dy by dx, and then you do differentiation of this take this as x square. Differentiation of x square is equals to 2 into x. So this 2 come here into x minus c into 1. Fine, and this c is there like that. Ghantra, you have to do anything with this. You want to write like this, you write to. Otherwise chupchap take to this. What is power 1? Order 1. Degree also 1. But did he ask that in the question? You read question. No, you read question. Find the order of differential equation corresponding to y is equals to c into x minus c square. Question made, he did not ask degree. So we not need to write degree. Chupchap write order, go on with your life. Third question. Find the order of the differential equation corresponding to y is equals to a is a to the power x, b to the power 3 power x plus c to the power 5 x. For some reason I remember that one scene in Gajni where the lady in puja room and these thieves or come to murder her or something, and I don't remember, she die or something. She'll die in alleyway or something. Why that come in mind now, right now, Amma? Okay. Find order of differential equation. Y is equals to a to the power x, b, blah, blah. How many arbitrary constant? A, b, c. 1 2 3. उसके बाद नहीं है क्योंकि 3 ही है. Okay, so order over here is 3. Number of times we have to order no chi. That answer. Why I do like this mistake? I hit to myself. Okay, I hit to table, but you imagine I hit to myself. My hand hurt by hitting table. Ayo. Okay, so number of times differentiating is equals to order. Since there are 3 arbitrary constants, order is 3. How do we know that? Direct order, how do we know? We did not do. But we don't need to do. Why do we need to do? Here something complicated is there. You want to do differentiation for that? No need to do. Here you can do. Here it is one time, and here we can do differentiation, and we can say if you want, here also you can write order is equals to 1 because 1 arbitrary constant. If you want, you do that. But here so 3 times. Why to waste time by doing differentiation of this again? We know it will be what will we get after doing differentiation of y 3 times? We'll get d to the power 3 y and d to the power x to the power 3. If we do 3 times, what did I say? D to the power 3 y, then d into x to the power 3. That is what we will get. Okay, so what is d to the power 3? So order will be 3. since there are 3 arbitrary constants. Okay. Now we'll see a new model. Hey, lesson coming to end. You don't worry, amma. Not to worry, amma. Okay. Form of differential equation corresponding to y is equals to a cos 3x plus b sin 3x. Chiller. Failure. What this? Nothing. I failure. Okay. Anyway, new model from the d y is equals to a cos 3x plus b sin 3x. Number of time differentiation is equals to number of arbitrary constant. But we write constant here. Why? Because हम say type. Okay, eliminate the arbitrary constant. We need to remove an arbitrary constant. So we do differentiation 2 times. Here question में, did you see what he asked? He not tell you to find order. He not tell anything. He say मेरे को बस differential equation चाहिए, बस इतना ही चाहिए. From this you get differential equation. Only differentiation you do. You not say order. Order you don't say. Okay. So he doesn't want order. So here you cannot pull this trick where you say, okay, order 3 because since 3 arbitrary constant. You write this here, he give you chamata. Okay. So you have to do actual differentiation here. How many constants are there? 2 constants are here. A, B. Do differentiation twice. Cassette. Now, this is the equation number 1. We do differentiation first time. dy by dx is equals to a into cos 3x will become 3 sin x. 3 sin 3x minus 3 sin 3x. I don't know differentiation, amma. Not to judge, amma. I don't know maths, amma. This one thing I understand, amma. Not to judge like this. Okay. So b into sin 3x. Sin 3x become. अरे कान दिखा रहा है भाई हलवे. 3 cos 3x. लाख और रात करोड़पति. Okay. Not even related. How to make random ref. Okay. Differentiation second time. Okay, beta. So when you do differentiation second time, you get this d to the power 2 y dx to the power 2 and a into minus 3. This you leave like that only. Again. 3 cos 3x. Sin 3x became 3 cos 3x and this became 3 remain like that. Minus 3 sin 3x. Now this differentiation it became d square y by dx square. Okay, till here you understood. Now you multiply this. So d square y and dx square is equals to minus 3 into 3 minus 9a cos 3x, and here b 3 into minus 3 minus 9b sin 3x. So minus 9 take common, a cos 3x plus b sin 3x. Okay. So we have this from equation 1. Whew! A cos 3x b sin 3x. Whew! A cos 3x b sin 3x sin 3x. Whew! Whew! Same. Both are same. What is this equal to? Y. Put to here. So d square y by dx square is equals to minus 9y from equation 1. So we put this over here equal to 0, which is the required equation. Dun, 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 dun. Done. Now we have question number 5. अरे आप आ गए? अरे सेठ आप आ गए? Question number 5. Okay, what's the question over here? तीन सम है बेटा, तीन सम कर लेंगे, कर लेंगे। ओके, form differential equation corresponding family of the equation we have to find again. Given equation, how many arbitrary constant? 1 2. Differentiation how many times? 1 2 10. Okay, now we shall be doing differentiation of x and y, but we have to be careful here. We have to do UV rule. So that means do differentiation of one thing, leave the other thing. So first we will leave x, do differentiation of y, dy by dx plus, this time you keep y, do differentiation of x, differentiation of x1, do differentiation of this. What is differentiation of this? It became constant, remain constant, e to the power x, b e to the power x, but e to the power minus x become minus b e to the power minus x. Okay, right? We got till here. Any doubts? E to the power minus x will become minus, here you put this plus became minus, and e to the power minus x became e to the power minus x. This is actually fine. E to the power x is e to the power x, but because minus x is there, fine के साथ you will get minus sign here. Okay, now a gives rise to d gives rise to x. What does that mean? Differentiation second time. So second time again UV rule we have to do. Keep this, do differentiation for this, d square y by dx square. This time again keep this, do differentiation for this, dy by dx 1. Now do differentiation for this, dy by dx. Again keep we did differentiation for this now you keep this and do differentiation for this, it comes 0. So y into 0 0, no need to write. Now we do differentiation for this for second time. What is the differentiation over here? A that remain, that only, because e to the power x, differentiation constant we are taking outside and doing differentiation for this. Again constant take outside, do differentiation, again constant take outside, do differentiation for e to the power minus x. Again you get minus, but minus into minus plus, so you got same thing as here. Okay, so from equation 1, a to the power x plus b to the power minus x is equals to xy. We wrote here. Now we multiply this and we get what is larger here. What is larger? You tell me. No, you tell me. This larger. But we not need to find order. I trick you. Actually, I forget myself, but I say I trick you. No need to find order. This is the required equation. Is there any statement that which is the required differential equation? Which is the required which is the required differential equation? 2 question. चलो बेटा हो गया चिक. Find the general equation of dy by dx is equals to 2y by x. So given equation again. Equation is given again. Right? Now what we do? Since the variables are separable. Where you go? Start from starting. No. How many variables are there? Variables are separable. Huh? What you must say? He say you go to market, you get vegetables, then you separate them. Separate the vegetables, no? Only then it will work. Okay. Now dy by dx is equals to 2y by x. So dy by what is he trying to say? You are arranging. How are you arranging? Send dx. Acha, there is a condition. You have to send dx and dy on numerator. Then only it will work. So dx you send here, x one side, y one side, right? And this 2 if you want you can send down also. He kept here. Okay, it doesn't matter where that 2 is, since variables are separable. Okay, now in integrate on both sides. Integrate on both sides. Do integration on both sides. Variables are separable. Then we have to do integration on both sides. Don't ask me how that makes sense. It how to do, you do. Okay, so take two outside because we can do integration of just constant. If only constant, then the integration 0. But here variable there, so constant. You take outside. Spare constant life, amma, please. Constant lives matter, amma. Okay. So now dy by y, 1 by y dy is equals to log y formula. 1 by x, integration of 1 by x, log x, but here 2 outside, so 2 log x. Okay, you understanding, amma? I not know if you understanding or not. Okay, now plus log c, specially for this plus log c. Okay, let us imagine logs. Now the tricky thing is this log get cut, and I know this sounds stupid, don't judge me, but this 2 come here to the power x and it become y is equals to x square c. So this thing unfortunately is something that you have to remember, and this one specially you have to remember. I not know if it come in exam or not, but this, if it come, you have to specially remember this. Okay, how to do. Now 8 sum, final sum, dekho. From differential equation corresponding to y is equals to cx minus 2c square, where c is parameter. ये आ गया from differential equation. One constant, one time differentiation only. One constant, one time differentiation only. Okay, so differentiating once y dy by dx, differentiating this constant, c you take outside, differentiation of x is 1, differentiating this, both are constants here, 0. When are we taking a constant into consideration? When it is with a variable. Here also see, in this sum also constant was there, but was it with a variable? No. Arbitrary constant only was here. This was arbitrary constant. Here if I multiply this constant into constant, it will be constant, but it's not with a variable, so that is not considered. Here also we are seeing 2 constants are there. The constant with the variable is considered, so only one constant, so one time differentiation. Here people by mistake they see I do 2 times, and they will get constant will go only, so they will say correct, I got correct answer, but that wrong answer. Actually you have to do only once. So one constant, one time differentiation only. Dy by dx, c you take outside, x ka differentiation 1, 2c both constant, differentiation 0, differentiation of constant 0. dy by dx is equals to c. Acha, dy by dx equals to c, and substitute here na. I want to work hard, then get no. I want random reference I make. Okay, so Abhishek, if you are watching this, I know where you live. Y is equals to dy by dx into x. So in place of c I put dy by dx value. Okay, कर सकते हैं बेटा कर सकते हैं, जल्दी करो बेटा. Okay, too fast amma. Okay Nana, okay Tali, okay amma. Now 2 into c whole square. C again we know this value, put here. हो गया बे, घर जा तू घर जा. ये c की जगह में ये डाले, ये वाले c की जगह में ये डाले. क्यों? क्योंकि dy by dx c की वैल्यू. हो गया रे, तू जा रे. हाँ 1/4 चॉकलेट लेके जा बे. रुक 1 सेकेंड से. अरे खुल रे, आराम. 1 second, I use mouth. When I use mouth, I realize I put sanitizer on this amount. This actually nimbu pani. Nimbu pani. Sir say if you like, he bring you. But I say no sir. It's okay. I not take 1 rupee from you. How you like? Nice, no? Really nice. Okay, sir. I talk my left. Wait. Now we talk our left. Hey. बेटा तो पाना ना. अरे क्या है मैन ये वीडियो. Okay, anyway, I take my leave. Happy birthday, Sayonara. जय तेलंगाना.